Hello, Georgios and Jerry Bears. Welcome to Berlin. Hi.
Hi, welcome to Berlin.
So, first time namin tatlo sa Berlin. Mama ka dito. So, first time namin tatlo sa Berlin. And anong expectations nyo? Vicky?
I'm underwhelmed so
Ano
far.
agad? Why?
Eh, asan yung mga boys? Wala pa sila.
Ikaw, what do you expect?
I'm underwhelmed.
Gaya-gaya.
Gaya-gaya.
Walang
Oo.
walang pagkain.
Oo, hindi kasi nasa area tayo na parang Makati na ano na...
Makati na walang pasok. Ganun.
Makati in the 80s.
Maturo mo yan.
Oo.
Ang tawag sa atin dyan, sirang fire hydrant.
Oh.
Dito, fountain. Diba?
Sa atin, baha. So, we are having Skofferhofer Weizen. This is a wheat beer here in Germany, here in Berlin. Cheers! Mga tita, tsaka tubig. Ay, beer. Prost! So, from Restaurant Quarry, we're here. It's right across Brandenburg Gate or Brandenburg Tower. It's right there. Tarang picture muna tayo dyan. It is day 2 here in Berlin, and since first time naming tatlo dito, mag-hop on hop off kami para makita namin lahat ng mga landmarks. So maglalakad tayo ngayon pupuntang Humboldt Forum. It's an imperial palace. It's 7 minutes away from here, 500 meters from our hotel. Tara! So this is Humboldt Forum, this one. Yan. And that's the famous TV tower. Forgot the name, wait. And the tower is called Berliner Fernsehturm. Fernsehturm. Google. Yes, pwede nyo rin gawin yung bike tour. Feel like that's interesting kasi mas mabilis yung malilibot lahat. Tsaka kasi ang Berlin sobrang yaman sa history. Kaya it's nice to know more about the history of Berlin. Whether via bike or lakarin mo. So we found our stop. So library yun nasa kanan. Right behind me is the Brandenburg Tor, Brandenburg Gate.
Ang sabi, this you can see the line where the wall was.
Okay.
So it was when it was taken down by Gorbachev's government. This Brandenburg Gate becomes a gate again.
So apparently this is the smartest building or establishment here in Berlin. It's called the Cube. John,
Yeah.
what can you say about Berlin?
Berlin is very historic. You know, the culture is really rich. And I'm hungry.
So pagkatapos ng Primark, gutom. Oh, ayan. Ito mga akla.
Appetizer natin to. Appetizer pa lang.
We just finished our late lunch dito sa China Snack. Alam mong matagal ka nang wala sa Pilipinas. Alam mong matagal kang biyahe kapag nagsimula ka mag-crave ng Asian food. Simula ka mag-crave ng kanin. But Vicky is an exemption kasi lagi siya nag-crave ng kanin.
It was so good. Really. Hindi ka naman nakikinig dito.
Ikwento mo na lang sa akin. Bakla.
So susubukan namin mag-train ngayon. Nandito kami sa Bahnhof Potsdamer Platz. First time. Explore natin ng tren. We're here. Potsdamer Platz tayo. Saan tayo bababa?
Hospital Market.
Here. So our next stop is the 13th best club in the whole world. It's called Berghain. Ayan. So sobrang snobbish daw nung club na to, yung doorman or indoor beach, ang sasabihin sa'yo pag di ka type, pag di gusto yung vibe mo, sabihin lang niya 9. Wala na, pag narinig mo yun, wala ka ng chance. Ito yung pila, dito pumipila. Siyempre pumunta kami ng daytime para wala nang fear of rejection, di ba? It is day 3 here in Berlin, and we're going to the east side today, and nagpatawag kami ng taxi. Sobrang efficient ng taxi. Sinabi lang nila pupunta ka sa ganitong lugar, okay, 4 minutes. May pinipindot lang sila eh. Ang galing, sobrang efficient. It's like a smaller version of Borough Market in London, which I like, you know, kasi para mas may ikot mo siya in just a few minutes of your time. So nasa loob tayo ng photo automat. Ayan. Ang galing kasi yung couple before me, naghulog sila ng ng 290. So magdadagdag na lang ako ng 10 cents. Bariya na lang. Under na. Holiday gift na raw nila sa akin. Swerte, no? Okay, so pwede na yun dyan, I guess. So, as usual, 5 minutes ang waiting time. Hindi ako ready dun sa last photo. Ay, sa first and last. Ang una hindi ako ready. Akala ko hindi pa nag-start. Yung last naman, akala ko 3 shots lang. Bobo.
As usual, ako yung taga-ubos ng paso nila. Nakita ko na to eh. Nakita ko to story yung to. Sa sa Florence. Ganito. Sa ganito rin, market din. Ganun din. 3 paso din. Ako rin uubos. Ayan po. Familiar tong pelikula na to talaga. Nangyari na to sa Florence. Ako rin yung uubos ng pasta nila.
Food coma na to, te. Wala pala stress ng hapon. Food coma na to.
Last meal ko na to. Hindi ko na carry. Last meal ko na to today. Today ah.
This is the Oberbaumbrück or the Oberbaum Bridge. Yeah. These are the last 2 remaining walls from the Berlin Wall. Ano lang, parang it's so amazing to be here. Na alam mong this was a huge part of history nung World War. Kaya nakakatawa rin na naging makulay na yung mga wall. Naging artsy na siya. Ayan siya. And this is it, Georgios and Gerbers. This sums up our Berlin adventure. Nag-check-in na kami ng bags for our next destination. Sana po na-enjoy ninyo yung ating Berlin trip. Hindi man siya yung parang na-expect namin na parang sobrang lively na Berlin. Pero at least nakapag-relax kami dito. Siguro may look forward pa tayo na babalikan natin na ma-experience natin yung Berlin na nasa isip natin. Yung tipong sobrang may techno clubbing, ganyan. Sana ma-achieve ko bago mag-40.